Dear students, today we shall discuss about electrical potential difference. Last topic was electric potential at a point. Now we want to find electrical potential difference due to 2 points. Electrical potential difference means this is the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another point. This is the amount of work done in bringing a test charge from unit positive charge from one point to another point. This is the potential difference, means amount of work done to carry a unit positive charge from one point to another. So we have taken a source charge, unit positive charge plus Q, and we have chosen a test charge Q naught. Test charge, this is the test charge. Q naught from A to B. We are taking this from A point to B point. Our aim is to find potential difference between point A and B. And the distance of A point is RA from O. Distance of B point is RB, and distance of point P is X. Point P is X. Now, what will be the and also potential at point A is VA and potential at point B is VB. Since this distance is less, so VB is greater than VA. Now, if WAB is the work done from A to B. If WAB is the work done in bringing the A to B, then what will be the potential difference? VB is more, so VB minus VA equal to WAB by Q naught. The derivation will be same to that of the electric potential at a point. Now, what will be the work done for small displacement PQ? The small amount of work done dW equal to F dot dx. So this will be F dx cos 180 degree. Then what is cos 180 degree? Cos 180 is minus 1. So minus F dx. But what is F? F equal to Q naught E. So minus Q naught E dx. Now what is E? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by x square. This electric field at point P, E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by x square. Electric field at point P, distance of P is x, so this one. So it is coming minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by x square dx. Now what will be the total work done from A to B? Therefore, in taking the test charge from A to B, so WAB equal to integration RA to RB, RA to RB minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by x square dx. Now you take common this, so it is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught integration x to the power minus 2, 1 by x square means x to the power minus 2 dx, and it is Ra to Rb. Clear? Now you see what will be integration? This minus 1 by x, so equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught minus 1 by x Ra to Rb, minus plus, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught into 1 by Rb minus 1 by Ra. This is the WAB. So what will be the VB minus VA from equation 1? Therefore, from 1 we get VB minus VA equal to, put here, WAB means this one, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught into 1 by Rb minus 1 by Ra by q naught, q naught cancel, so this will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into 1 by Rb minus 1 by Ra. This is the potential difference between two points A and B. Clear? So for similar derivation for electric potential at a point and potential difference. Only difference is limit is changing. In that case, it was infinity to R, here Ra to Rb, because its distance is Ra, its distance is Rb, and then same process we have got this result. Okay. Now we want to find the relation between electric field and electric potential at a point. You see, another one, just a small derivation. What is the relation between the electric field and electric potential at a point? A relation between electric field and electric potential. We have electric field at a point is an electric and electric potential at a point is V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So you divide this. Therefore, E by V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So this cancel. So you are getting Q by R square into R by Q. So this also cancel, 1 R cancel, so 1 by R. Therefore E equal to V by R. This is the relation. And for this relation, from this relation we get electric unit of electric field is volt per meter. Volt per meter unit, SI unit. In the first chapter we have written electric field is equal to Newton per Coulomb. Newton per Coulomb. This is also right. And from this expression we can say electric field equal to volt per meter. Clear? This is the relation. Okay. ঠিক করে পড়তে লাগবে, বেশি বেশি পড়তে লাগবে, আর যে আমার যেটা এম এর দিকে সবসময় ফোকাসিং থাকতে লাগবে, তাহলেই সাকসেস হয়ে যাবে। আর রাখলাম।